Good morning, treasure hunters and thrill seekers, also known as geocaches. Clocks changed last night, we're now in British summertime and I'm out doing a few caches. Yeah, so it's called Welcome to the Homestead, and we're not too far from it. Well, that was a bit bumpy, wasn't it? 400 or so metres. Now, I don't actually hold out much hope for this one. All right. Jogger's just run past me, he sounds knackered. As I say, I don't hold out much hope for this one. In the activity log, there are 3 DNFs, the last 3 searches. And there's a bit of gap in between each one, and I think that's quite possibly because we're in a bit of a lockdown at the moment. And so, don't know. Maybe some of the DNFs haven't been logged. But you never know. I might be lucky. But then again, it might not even be there. It is nice to see the daffodils and the blossom, cherry blossom coming out. Tells you that summer's coming. Clocks changed last night too, so we're now on British summertime. Kind of quaint, isn't it? You see that big white building there? That's where the entrance to the park is, and if you can see that, I'm about 100 metres away. Oh, actually, I beg your pardon, that's not the entrance to the park. The entrance to the park is a little bit further up. I got carried away there, didn't I? A sign of our times. Now this is a little confusing because the gate's open. Well, somebody's walking through here and they don't look like security, so let's chance it, eh? Apologies for the loud noise going on over there. I hope you can hear me. I actually think I found where it was. I think it was attached to this cable. I've had a rummage in these leaves down here and I can't see anything. And I did have to actually kind of fight my way through this bush to kind of get there. I think the hint on it, it says the hint is missing. I didn't know if that meant it was a clue, whether missing was a clue, whether there was something missing and that was a substitute, the cache was substituted for whatever was missing. Or I don't know whether the cache owner has just put the hint is missing as in it is missing, the cache is missing. It looks like that might be the case, having found what I found, but I don't know. So this isn't unexpected. And it does happen, so I'm going to log it as I did not find. I'm going to move on to the next cache and hopefully we'll find that one. It's very blustery here. Okay, so I'm looking for this one. Let's just click on that. Yankee Bravo Alpha Charlie. And I'm uncertain as to whether I need to go. I think I actually need to go under the bridge. This is Water End Bridge, over the River Ouse in York. And I think I need to cross over here head down the path and then head under the bridge. Because there's nothing accessible on that side. Right, yeah, this is executive decision, here we go. Yeah, so here's the bridge. I've just come down from there and it's saying I'm about 23 meters away, and it is suggesting, there we go, it's suggesting that it's under the bridge. Well, I've got to say, I found it, and it's huge. I'm not going to show you in this video because I don't want to give the game away. It's well camouflaged. You do have to go for a bit of a forage, and the hint and everything, the clues, are all valid. And it's just one of those where you don't know what to expect. So I'm going to dig it out and then I'll show you. I mean, look at the size of that beast. It's enormous. They've done a really good job with this. There's silica gel packs stashed in it to keep it dry. Oh look, it's actually broke. Silica gel things. There's a big log. There's stickers and pencils and stuff. I'm actually going to leave a couple of swappables in here, I think. Okay, so that's me, all signed up in the log. Hope you've liked this. I thought this was brilliant. Whoops, I'm losing my coffee. Falling out my bag. I don't know whether you can tell us, I am on a hill. It's the only clue you're getting. Yeah, I hope you've liked this. If you have, give it a thumbs up. You do get did not finds, do not finds, which is the one previous to this. But this one takes me up to about 52, 53, I think it is. I'll put a little thingy up there. And if you subscribe to the channel, you get to follow the rest of my geocaching, kayaking, camping adventures, as well as some cleaning tips and stuff and other reviews. Okay, I'll see you soon. Take care.